How to clear scan history on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear scan history on Snapchat. So first thing you have to do is go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your avatar, and go to the top corner again and click on the settings option. Now after you click on settings, all what you have to do is simple. Just scroll down until you find clear his scan history. As you can see, now click on it and click clear. Now I just cleared my scan history, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.